So I also think same that in these days people are not reading books. Rather, they do not find some time for reading books because
Right.
as we are moving towards the modernization and the smartphone, we are using a lot. That's why we can't find much time to read the book like earlier days. So the next
Do
question, yes, you can
do
ask.
you read before going to bed?
Yes, I do read. I do read before going to bed. Sometimes it can be out of my syllabus book, or sometimes it can be story books. I do read sometimes when I get some time. I used to read the book. What about you,
Okay.
ma'am?
No, I don't read a book before the bed.
Are you able to see this?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello,
I
Babita ma'am.
can see. Yeah, yeah. I can
Okay.
see.
Do people read more? Okay. Do people read more nowadays? What do you think?
I think nowadays people don't read more because they prefer the see videos, any kind of videos, related videos. If somebody want to know any topic, then so they choose easier way the see video.
Yes, agree na. Today, in these days, people have so many options to get knowledge various from various. So they sometimes they use social media, sometimes they use any e-books, or
Yeah.
some hardly they read the paper books.
Paper. Yeah, Ritika, if you remember earlier, we when we want to make new recipe, then we used to search new. We used to search newspaper and magazine, and then
Yes, exactly.
we read the new we read the magazine. Then after we do experiment, we did experiment.
Yes, and
Yeah,
we had collected some newspaper cuttings for e-books. Yeah, sorry,
yeah,
magazine books.
newspaper. Yeah, I also that time I was every time keen to know what is the recipe, new recipe print in newspaper.
Yes.
Yeah, please,
So,
Ritika, please would you zoom the uh, questions?
sorry,
Some little zoom, please.
Zoom.
Yeah,
Okay. Now it's visible.
no, it's fine.
Personal thing. So I think Sai is
Yeah, I
trying to.
agree with you, but research says that films are the easy way to learn any simple concept and
Yes,
any new concepts, and we can
yes,
see in study also, because study is totally changed. The scenario is totally changed because of film and animated videos and all things. So books
yes,
are also important, but imagination. Your point is very valid, because imagination power is developed by our own skill. So we have, if we want to create any imagination movie, any imagination of a story, so we can color our own choice. So this is also important, but sometimes we feel videos are full film videos are also very important, because it helps with the for slow learners, I think.
yes.
So it's also good.
Okay.
So next is, you can share.
Okay. Let us move on to the topic of traditional literature in our country. So you have to talk about the traditional literature.
Yeah, as I told you before, some time, I always try to read some traditional literatures like Premchand, Mahadevi Verma, and I love to go with them, because their imaginations are very natural, and when we read their novel, we easily connect with them. If I talk about Sudha Murthy's novel, then
Yes.
she writes very nicely in very simple language. Anyone can easily understands her novels language. So we can easily connect with these stories, because they are very down to earth, and they write very nicely. So it's important part, and we should respect our traditional literatures.
Yes. And when you ask me about the traditional literature, I'll go with our epics, the Ramayana and Mahabharata, because we know that they are swarmed with numerous stories and a lot of characters, and it gives there is a room for imagination in each and every line. So according to my concept, or in my concept, the traditional literature means our epics.
Epics.
Then
What do
what
you
is,
think
yeah,
means
yeah, yeah, I get,
traditional lecture
yeah, that's
literature
what I
means?
said in my perspective. That's
Okay,
what I have shared. Like,
okay, okay.
okay, what is one example of traditional literature in your country?
Yeah. According to me, Ramayana Mahabharata is also, you can say, but if I talk about my interest, so I always connect these traditional literature in our country is if I go with the Hindi, so I always speak about Mahadevi Verma and Sudha Murthy is also good because, but she writes in English, so
Very simple. Her language is very simple, actually, no?
very
Easy to
simple.
understand. That's what.
Yeah, yeah,
And the Mahadevi Verma you are talking about is a lady.
yeah, lady.
Ebook is most popular than the regular
Yes, and
books.
it is easily download, and we can read
It
anywhere. So
is
now,
easy to download.
sorry, sir.
It is easy to download. It is easy download nahi. It is easy to download.
It is easy to download, and we can read anywhere. So I think it is a best option for the student and for the teacher also, for anyone who wants to read.
Yeah, definitely.
Between films and books,
So 3D, we can see that while we are watching films, that whole story we can see on the screen. But in books, we have to read that, and we can uh, hear the dialogues also.
there is lots of difference between films and reading books, because film always impact on our mind, and it create a scene on our mind so that it can easily digest to our mind, and we can learn a lot. And if you are reading something, so it is your all efforts. So sometimes you will have to focus on writing and whatever written in the books, and you will have to concentrate to read something. So I think watching movie on the same content, uh, it is very effective rather than reading book, isn't isn't
Yeah,
it?
but few changes are there. If you are taking it in normal and they are making the film, some changes they are making. If you are taking example of
But, but Ritika, I don't have any idea about literature because I
And then
don't
the
interest in.
traditional literature was full of.
Yeah, please continue.
I read one page of Bible daily, hardly, and I have to emphasize them to read the Bible. So it's very difficult task for
Uh,
Monica.
Now they use their brain and they think according to the intellectual level. But when if we want to perceive these kind of things, especially the spiritual or religious things, we
Yeah,
have to apply some kind of faith as well. We cannot approach only with the help of
yeah, it's
brain or
very
intellectual
important.
power. That is the difference. And kids are not at the age that they have to perceive all that in that kind of. We people are so much more mature when we compare to them, and based on our life experience, we we know the
Yeah, my
importance of.
husband also told them. I also used to think like that, but
Yes,
after
yes,
that we were doing all things. So now we get the importance. We we receive that
Life teaches
bracelet mark.
many lessons. No, life teaches us many lessons. For
Yeah.
kids now, they are well protected. They don't want to worry about anything. They don't want to search for any
Yes.
solutions. They don't have any problems in their life as such. Now, once they face all these things, they will start to search for the answers or solutions for that. That time definitely they will, it will become a
Yeah,
solution
because
or answer for
they
them.
get a lot of facilities and a lot of
Yes.
solutions from parents, because we are provider, and they think it's enough for me, it's enough for us, and they should do, because they are going to older and they have a lot of time to prayer and all things. So we don't have time to prayer, and we no need. They think they don't need
Yeah, that's what
to
I'm
stay
because
warm.
they are not in need of these kind of things right now. But once they face a
Yeah.
problem in their life, once they find it is difficult to move ahead, that time definitely will think about a solution. When there is a problem, only will think about a solution. If there is no problem, no need of any solution. So that time
No
definitely
need.
they will reach there only. I think that's
Yes.
what I'm thinking. Even my kids, it's very difficult to convince because they are focus is on other areas. No, they are more interested in games. They are more interested to watch
Yes,
movies or
exactly.
the programs in the TV. So that time it's very difficult to convince them the importance of these things. But once they attain a level where they can understand all these things, I think they will definitely come to all these things.